this episode of Food Rhymes in Life, we'll be exploring the local cuisine of Delhi, India, from small family restaurants to street food at the local spice market, and even behind the scenes into an industrial-sized kitchen at the Sikh Temple. I'm interested to find out what everyday people are eating in one of the world's most populated cities. I'm your host, Solo Traveler. If you want to support the show, simply subscribe, like, or share with a friend. Being the ultimate one-man band, I make all original music for the show as well as the editing, etc. I would really appreciate your support. I've left my Spotify link below, and without further ado, please enjoy the video. India, truly a planet of its own, an experience we should all hope to be fortunate enough to have at least once in this lifetime. An awesome cornucopia of sights, sounds, and smells, colors, textures, and flavors, religious beliefs from pious Tibetan monks to pseudo-spiritual grifters. India is truly an all-encompassing grand bazaar of all that is possible for the traveler open to experiencing life on the edge. A land of stark contrast, especially when addressing issues of socioeconomics. On this journey, I will do my best to give a glimpse into both worlds. From the hopelessly decadent to the everyday struggle from the streets of sprawling metropolises, these are the chronicles of my experience inside the land of diversity. Alright, so we are at the Sikh Temple?
Yes. That is the temple name is a Bangla Sahib Gurudwara.
Okay.
It's a Sikh temple.
Bangla Sahib Gurudwara?
Gurudwara, yes.
Gurudwara.
That is the foreigner tourist office. Yeah.
Very nice.
Yes.
Oh, careful.
Here's the people eating every day. Saturday, Sunday, so lots of people come here. Yeah, come. See, even the rich people, even the normal people, even the middle class, all they are sitting in the floor.
Yeah,
they are not like in the higher or lower.
Yeah.
You know?
So everyone is equal here.
Yeah, everyone is equal. Here's the supply. There is a plate supply. Okay, the plate will be given for everyone from here. They have a spoon also there.
Yes.
Lentils. They're making and
So
supply lentils here. The
dal?
man will be standing here, the staff. Yeah, he's a volunteer. As a volunteer, they're working.
Yeah.
He's a free for give the goat for the time.
Yeah. Oh, that's big pots, huh?
Yeah. It is a big
many
huge.
people.
Now you can see.
Oh, wow.
And here they can making from chapati. As a volunteer, the women, they are free at home. So they make chapati, hand chapati.
Oh, interesting.
That is the man.
Oh, look at this guy.
That is the man making very good fresh food. You look at that.
The big vat, huh?
Yeah. Look.
This reminds me of when Trump was running for president and he's like, I want my generals to look like generals. Well, in this case, I want my lentil stirs to look like lentil stirs. And this gentleman fits the bill 100%. Wow.
Yeah, they're making some sweet
lassi?
No lassi. It's a rice.
Rice.
Kheer bun rahi hai na? Yeah, kheer. We call it kheer. With the rice and milk.
This is rice and milk.
Yeah.
These boys are really getting it done in the kitchen. This is an impressive operation. Giant steel vats, stainless steel, industrial strength cooking, feeding tons of people. I'm very impressed.
They are just for making here. The ready will be here, the chapati.
Ah, okay. I like this with the hot stones and everything. Is this a very traditional way of making roti?
Yeah, they have machine also. You can do that.
Yeah.
The machines. They're making, but the handmade taste.
Yeah.
That is the very tasty, more than machine.
Is this a traditional, very traditional way?
Yeah, traditional.
Yeah.
From the traditional chapati, we call to chapati.
Oh, these are the chapatis.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, looks good.
Look at the machines.
So these are also chapatis?
Yeah, chapati is machine, but that one from the hand.
Yeah, so the hand is always better.
Yeah.
Okay, and it's flattening them out there on the other side. Cool.
Look at the chapati come out. See.
Ah, they've got a whole process here.
Yeah. It's gonna be.
And they cook them in here, huh?
Yeah, and you get the see. The chapati will come here.
Ah, the finished product comes
The
out
finished
down
product,
here.
exactly.
Well, it's definitely efficient. And if you need to feed so many people,
Yeah.
it's probably a good way to do
Today
it.
is Saturday. Saturday and Sunday is really a lot of crowded here.
Right, it's
Because
Saturday.
everyone would like to come to here to give some time from the God
Yeah.
and to eat very special food here.
Ah,
Yeah,
well, we came on a good day then.
yeah. And they can just use from the fresh oil with the chapati in up here. The guys bring here
Yeah.
and they are putting some little bit fresh oil.
Ah,
Yeah.
ah, okay, they're putting the oil.
Yeah.
Ah, looks good.
Look at. Can you imagine that to you? 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock, how many people come here? More than 50,000.
Wow.
For one day.
More than 50,000 people.
Yeah, more than 50,000.
Wow.
Sometimes 1 million, 2 million.
Oh.
They never stop from the food. Never.
Yeah.
They never say we don't have. They have. They're making. This is the stuff with the chapati.
Ah,
This is the stuff for the powder, from the wheat.
okay. Oh, it's wheat powder, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
They never ask to anyone to be give money, If people have a good heart,
Yeah.
they can buy outside from the wheat and give for here. So finally for the kitchen round is finished. So now we go to the main points.
Okay.
Okay. If people go to the main points, they have to be washed from the.
Oh.
Yes.
Yeah.
I want to go to buy some lentil sweets.
Yeah.
To you just touch in your hand. Just touch in your hand and to give you from the God. Okay?
Ah.
And what you need in your life, you just tell inside your heart. Okay?
So this is the lentils?
Just lentils, yeah.
Ah, nice. Okay.
It tastes awesome. So here we'll stop the camera, because of you can just see there. This is the main point.
Ah.
You can just make video in the outside, otherwise not.
Ah, okay. And then
because,
we'll turn off the camera. So this is the
Yeah,
gold temple?
Yeah, the gold inside the gold.
Okay.
Is the real gold.
Spectating on all that behind the scenes food work definitely whetted the appetite, so we headed off for some local breakfast at a local family restaurant. What's the name of this restaurant?
Restaurant is the Audience.
Audience.
Audience restaurant.
This looks fantastic. Oh,
This is the lassi.
Oh yeah, it's nice and cold too.
Yeah.
And they have something on top here. It looks like almonds and...
Yeah, almonds. Almonds and some...
Is that cheese?
yeah, it's cheese. Yeah.
Ah, okay.
It's kind of cheese.
Ooh, that's delicious.
Thank you.
Sweet lassi, beautiful. Best lassi I've had. Really good. Look at this puffy ass balloon bread here. This is super cool. So this is a traditional, as he said, traditional breakfast in Delhi. So we'll make little tacos out of this here. Is this a chana masala?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay, so we got a really nice chana masala here with a little slice of potato on top. And let's get at some of these purple onions and chilies too, even though it's breakfast. And I've got a little bit of deli belly. That's okay. Oh, and we'll try it with this, to me it looks like a pickled carrot.
Yep.
Oh yeah. Oh my God, even just that carrot is amazingly tasty. Wow. Very flavorful. This really hits you. Wow. Beautiful breakfast. Wow. The flavors here are off the charts. They're just packed with flavor. An interesting thing here in Delhi, or I've been told in India in general, the carrots have a much more red color, or at least a certain variety of carrots have a red color here. These ones do also. It's not just because it's pickled. What do you think? Pretty good,
It
huh?
is really awesome. Nice, yeah.
Yeah.
Look at the chili here. Wow.
And the lassi is perfect for the little bit of spiciness
Yeah,
here.
so that's why people drink a little bit like that.
What a breakfast. Fantastic.
This is hardly a desert oasis. It's not at all deserted. More like so densely populated, will leave you obfuscated, discombobulated. Forget the flaws, the milk is raw, no antibiotics at all. We'll hit the early morning spice market, trying to find my price target. I'll arrive by bike, no credit swiping for nice bargains. Bared fruit, looking ripe as a prime starlet. This is real life, no flying carpets.
All right, as you saw, we already had a big breakfast, but we're gonna go try something else here while we're down in the market. A little bit of snacks, I think. All right, so we're gonna try the Dal Kadhi chad here. Is what we're.
80 वाली बना दे दो देख ले
Ooh, is that just sugar on the
sugar,
top there?
yeah.
So this we've got condensed milk,
condensed milk,
condensed milk cream,
yes,
and sugar and saffron.
this is for saffron, yeah.
Okay. Ah, and a rose petal.
Condensed milk डाली थोड़ा और
Okay, going to try this here now. For decoration. Okay. That's delicious. It's actually got the texture of meringue a little bit. It's very light and fluffy. Light, fluffy, sweet, refreshing, and yeah. And it's very pretty on the top.
plate number
Give him a shout out here. Look for this card, Kemchan. I see the red carrots that I was talking about this morning.
this is from the dosa.
Oh,
Dosa from South people. Yeah, South Indians people, they love these things.
oh, interesting.
You cannot find out tasty for like this food,
Yeah.
but you can find out the more tasty from dosa in south of India.
So we're trying a sweet dessert made from cheese?
Yes,
Is that what you
cottage
said?
cheese. Cottage cheese.
Cottage cheese.
Cottage cheese. Tasty.
And what is the liquid? Is that like a sugar?
Sweet
Sweet
sugar.
syrup?
Yeah, sweet syrup.
We're gonna try this
Yeah, sure.
sweet cheese here.
ये क्या चीज़ है?
Oh, yeah.
This one you can.
Okay. A bit hot.
It's hot.
Yeah, a little bit, but this is exactly what you would expect it to taste like. It just tastes like a delicious cheese with the sugar syrup on top, and it's hot and freshly made and ready to go. It's really nice.
Try this one in front of. You can put this one.
I'm gonna try this one separate. So this is
Rabdi.
the rubbery, and what is
the
this
milk,
from?
milk.
It's milk.
Yeah, cow milk.
Okay, this is a liquid sort of consistency of like a porridge, and it's milk
Pistachio.
with some pistachios on it. Oh, that's very interesting. It has a very smoky flavor, which I did not expect. Nonetheless, it's very smoky. Absolutely delicious. Now, I'm going to try the cheese with the...
Rabdi.
Good catch. Wow, he caught it. I'm going to eat it anyway. We've got the cheese with the rubbery on top. They go very nice together. It was a good recommendation. As Chan cleans his hand from it. This man must be a good fielder in cricket. His hands are very good. He caught that thing, no hesitation. So generally when visiting a really local market like this, it's a good way to get an idea of the flavors you're going to be tasting in the local food, because it's generally a very good representation of what they're cooking with in all of the local dishes. Oh, the smells now.
Yeah.
Really. Smelling all these beautiful fragrances now coming from the cooking and the spices and the incense, and it's a real sensory overload down here. Colors and smells, everything you hear about India, it's true. We're heading to the spice market now, gonna pick up some spices. In my opinion, India has the best spices in the world, so hopefully this is one of the best places to buy spices in the world.
This is all flour. They can sell the flour here.
Ah, beautiful.
Raw flour because of the temple. People have a temple in a house.
Yeah.
So every day, after the shower, they went in the temple in the morning in the house.
Okay.
And they put in the flour from the temple and to prayer.
Ah.
People coming from the outside who has business from the dry fruit, so they come here to be wholesale market. So they buy here to sell from out of the city.
Yes, okay. So you get the good price here.
Yes, it's a wholesale market. Look at the chili.
Many different kinds of chilies, huh?
Yeah. Or the tea shop man making tea.
Ah, is that chai masala tea?
Yeah.
Oh, is that salt?
Yeah.
Wow. I'm going to the Himalayas, so they'll probably have a lot of this here.
Yes.
Wow, I've never seen salt in the big chunks like that before.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Wow.
Interesting. Beautiful, actually.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you're heading to India or in India and want a great guide around New Delhi or possibly some other cities, give Chand a call. I've left his contact here, WhatsApp or by telephone.